as a women,
everyone there is a primary,
our children, and
you find
after hearing that you guys are walking before you, I missed you the other day.
They are sending a message that we are fully aware, and you as government wake up and come and make sure people don't abuse their offices, especially in terms of misusing the environment. I want to salute you.
Yes, we shall have our party from here, not in the tent. We shall
Right Honorable, at this juncture, I'm inviting you to come and launch the Uganda Gazette on wetlands in Uganda.
Congratulations, Minister of Water and Environment. This is a very big milestone that you have registered under your term as the Minister and the technical people. Congratulations.